ನೀವು ಲೈವ್ ಹೋದ್ಮೇಲೆ
ಯುವರ್ ಲೈವ್ ನಾವು
ಶೇರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಕೊಡಿ.
ಇದಾ
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ಅದೇ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿ.
ಯಾವುದು
ಇಂಟರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಇದೆ ಕೊಡಿ. ಬನ್ನಿ ಬಿಡು.
ಯಾವುದು
ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಈ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಹಾ ಹೋಗ್ರಿ ಸರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್. ಇದು ರೂಮನ್ನು ರೂಮ್
ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಶೇರಿಂಗ್
ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಶೇರಿಂಗ್.
ಅವ್ರು ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಶೇರಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಮಜಾ ದೇವರೇ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ಏನು ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಸ್ಲೋ. ಕೊಡಿ ಕೊಡಿ.
ಯಾವುದು
ಯಾವುದು ವಿಂಡೋ ಇದು 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 ಶೇರ್. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ನೀವು ಯಾವುದು
ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ 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 ಅದು ಏನೋ ಟಚ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡಿ. ನಂದು ಇದು ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟರ್ ಏನೋ ಬೇಡ.
ಚೇಂಜ್ ಬೇಡವಾ
ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟರ್ ಬರೀ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟರ್ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿ. ವ್ಯೂ 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 ಸ್ಪೀಕರ್ ಸ್ಪೀಕರ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಬಿಡಿ ಬಿಡಿ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಲಿಂಕು ಲಿಂಕ್ ಸರ್
ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
ಲಿಂಕ್ ಕಳ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಇರಲ್ಲ ವರ್ಷ
ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ
ಬಂತಲ್ಲ
ಬಂತು ಹೋಗ್ಲಿ.
ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಬಂತಾ ನೋಡಿ. ಇದು ಯಾಕೆ ದೂರ ಬರ್ತೈತೆ?
ನಿಮ್ದು ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ್
ಇರಿ
right? So out of 20,000, I have to select 100. So I need the best ones. And I can tell you,
Out of 20,000, I have to select 100.
from here, if you are the part of stipend, in that case, it is as good as like confirmed job. We can give
ಇವಾಗ
you
ನಾನು
the
ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
or else if you are able to create some product, we can give you the option of startup. You can start with some company and all. Okay. And entrance test if you pass. So here we are having 300 numbers. So this would be kind of a free internship. So where neither you are paying nor we are paying. But at the same time, you will be working on the program, you will be working on the project, and I will come to the concept of our project. So one, in the stipend internship, we already are working on the AI development, AI product development. So there are different products what we are going to develop that my product team will talk to you. Development team I will be connecting. In pre-internship, you have to come out with a project. So it is how exactly you will come out with a project. It is very simple. I'm saying the mod is I don't want to conduct the classes here. Usually now I can see in your internship portal, it is most of the training institutes have only joined. And you go, then they will be again teaching you the same full stack Java, full stack Python, and software testing and all that. I feel that in today's era, when we are having the AI and all that, it is not required that you have to do the coding and the testing and all that can be done by AI. So, in fact, I don't know ABCD of the programming, but at the same time, if I go to Replit or maybe in front of you itself, I can go to manus.im. This is a good one. It is able to give me, what is that? Continue with Gmail. So it can create the whole app for me within no time. What is okay? Anyway, so I don't know. It is acting crazy. Might be my team will show you all that. When Manju, you can show that how exactly we do the development, and also what I wanted to tell you that for the development and all, we don't need big training. So here we are changing the model now. What we are saying, if you can understand the basics, then we are having AI to help you. So this first one is stipend internship, where we are saying 100 of the candidate directly you will be working on the live project which we are developing. The second one, the free internship, in which we will be asking you, or we will identify certain problem statement, and on that we will work, right? Like one of the problem statement is why the resume of yours available on the LinkedIn, why not of that carpenter or the electrician? Because those guys also have the skills. In fact, they should put their skills that, okay, fine, I can, when I say carpenter, either he can make a very small something, or he's a big artist. Or when I say electrician, either he can just repair a switch or he can repair a transformer. When I say plumber, either he can repair a tap or he can work on the jacuzzi. So you cannot make out. So why they are not able to put their resume? Because of the communication. So you know English, you can put your resume. They don't know, they cannot highlight their skills. But today, using your NLP, we can do the language conversion. So my AI agent can go and ask that, okay, fine, tell me how exactly, who are you, what work you have done, what is your experience, and all these things can be put in the English, and we can create a resume. So that kind of lot of such things, like we can come out with the what exactly is the real time problem. So AI will help us. We will go ahead with the AI development, AI product development. So here AI product development can be done under your pre-internship. So where we will be, it's not, we are not going to go ahead with whatever I have shown you the previous year, what we have done the project. So that is the captive project. So rather than that, we are in free internship. So in stipend internship, as I mentioned, already we are working on the project. We will be working on that team where we are having the people from IIT, NIT. So those are the guys. So they would be your supervisor. Free internship, we will identify some 10, 20 of the real time problem. And on that, we will have one-on-one interview, and then we will assign it you in that. So neither you are paying nor we are paying. So there would be some training and project, but you should have good knowledge. We are not going to start from the basics like what is the array and what is the function and all that. Now the third category, you say that okay fine, no, I don't have much idea what I want to utilize this time. At least after this 3 months, I should be in a position to get some job. So that is what is your paid internship. So where it is typically we will be conducting some classes and all, but again, it would not, we will not be going in too much in depth. Rather, it will be more project specific. And also we will be in this, suppose if you feel that, okay, fine, your communication skill is not that great, or you need some improvement on the soft skills, don't hesitate. See, this 3 months is very crucial for you. Try to first identify yourself that what you are and where you fit. There is no harm here, even if we are saying, okay, fine, we will be charging you 12,000 rupees. But the program, what we will be giving you, that is worth a lakh. So you can as well opt for this, because here we will not have any limitation on the numbers and all. We can go ahead, more number of candidate we can take it. Because as we are also one of the training companies, so we have the training division, we have the services division, right? So these two program are for our services division, this is for our training division. So how exactly you will be going ahead with this? So in that case, we are having online, we are having offline, we are having hybrid. So online, suppose if you say that, okay, fine, I want to do completely online, in that case, at least you do it in offline, online mode, but at least 1 week you should come and attend that. So that is what your online plus will get converted into hybrid. Offline, we are having our office in Rajajinagar in Bangalore and Electronic City. Probably we can also set up one in Davangere. So you can be the part of the team in Bangalore, and you can do the development and all. So for your stipend, it is 100% that you have to be in offline at our office. You have to work, wherein for the free and the free, it is we can work on online as well as hybrid. So you will be assigned the project. There would be mentors. You can consult them, and everything will be there on the LMS. So whatever the assignment, project management will be there. So what project we have assigned you, that monitoring will be done through that itself. Uh, so how we will work? So how exactly we are going to work is, it is, first of all, we will discuss with you. It is very simple. I'm giving you one example. I don't want to give you a project that is library management or hospital management or something that is traditional for the last donkey of years people have been doing. What I will ask you, and today it is possible with AI, we will go ahead in the research mode. and ask AI, okay, fine, tell me what are the problems of my area. Let it do the research. It will tell you that in the last 5 years in the newspaper, what all problems is being highlighted. Now you know the problem statement. So you have suppose five of the problems in your area, in your city. So now you start working on it. So it is not that whatever is already there that you are doing something. So might be it is related to the traffic, might be it is related to the solid waste management, might be it is related to the atmosphere, might be it is related to the weather. So next, we will ask how exactly we can help. We take the details. We will have the mentors. We are having 200 of plus mentors who is volunteering with us, who all are like very much achievers. They work for the companies like Microsoft, Cisco, IBM at senior director level, and also it is not for any other reason, but they are joining us for the volunteer purpose, so that they want to help you. They want to mentor you. So those people will help you. Those people will come and explain you that what you should do, how you should do, and all. So identify the problem. Decide, yes, this problem I am going to solve. Who knows that you may develop some product which can take you to be an unicorn. Secondly, traditional, what is happening now, you go, you do a particular course, you go to some training company, they will do make you do some course, and then ultimately you develop some product project and all and submit it and forgot. Here we are not going to take only engineering graduates. What we are doing is we are taking the MBAs, we are taking MCA. So we are taking the candidates from the different vertical. So suppose once you identified that, okay, fine, I want to create a company which can resolve the problem of the traffic of Bangalore. Now, how it is possible? What can be done? So suppose we will make some plan. Now there could be the people, or else I'm saying that we come out with a plan that how I can create an LMS, learning management system, which can give the personalized learning to the students. Everyone is not the same, right? So now we take the candidates. There would be two of the persons from HR background, from MBA. So that is, we will create a typical office setup. Then there would be a salesperson. So there, the project will get divided into multiple. So suppose if I am creating an LMS, in that case, how in content management can be done, how the sales can be done. So how exactly you are going to plan the things. So basically, what is the purpose of internship is that I don't want to teach you. I don't want to give you training. See, it is very simple. Today, if you want to learn, in that case, every information is available online. You can always learn. And if you don't want to learn, in that case, no one can help you. So it is very simple. We will give you the assignments. Okay, fine. Go through this topic and finish this assignment. So you have to put your own effort. Try to find out different resources, videos, learn from it, do your assignment. If you are stuck somewhere, yes, we have the trainers and all who will help you in concepts. Your mentor will be guiding you for the project. So we will be having a complete office setup. It is as good as like 20 persons are working, and we will set up a company where we are having the HR, we are having the salesperson who is creating the sales script. Now he tries to, so if you want in a virtual mode, in that case we will be your customer. You have to convince us. So your salesperson will come and he will say, hey, I am creating this kind of product. Would you be interested? And we will say why we will not be interested. He will come back. He will say to the product team that no, we need to make these changes in our product, we need to make these changes in our software. So it would be real time kind of. And suppose if your product is really so good, let your salesperson who is from the MBA college and all, let him go and real time pitch to the customer. And if you are getting the good response, you are done. By the time you come out of your college, you should set up a company. And that's what I told you, project to product. So we will help you with that. So that is the overall concept what we are having, not just training, but we want to give you the complete, and where all we you can do that. So it can be on the different domains. It is all future skills. So we are not going to get into the software testing and your website development and all. Rather, it is cloud and DevOps, web development, Gen AI and machine learning, data analytics, cyber security, app developments. All these are the verticals which you can choose whatever is of your interest. Obviously, we will be taking B Tech, MBA, MCA, all these people final year. And as I have mentioned that even if you want to go for the paid training program, also we need a minimum of 60%, because if you have the knowledge, basic knowledge, we can make you further good. But if you lack on the basics, I cannot help. So how exactly you will join? So assessment and selection process is, now we will display you a QR code. You can submit your application form where you can be very clear that what category you want, what exactly you want. Maybe I will run you through that. Then we will have a domain-wise assessment, which can be done maybe day after tomorrow. So once you tell what exactly you want to do, are you really interested? We have also sent the offer to few of the candidates. So if you have received your offer, so this is very important point. And in the future also, when we will send the offer to you, you have to accept within 48 hours. If you don't, in that case, we will cancel it and we will give the chance to others. Because as we have put the limited numbers, as you can see that 100, 300, like that, we have put the numbers. So we can only take those many candidates. It's not a open number that whatever the numbers we want. So if you get an offer, you have to accept in the 48 hours. If it is not, in that case, we will cancel so that that bucket can get free. And in that, we can push some more student. Okay. So once interview is selected, we will give you offer letter. Offer letter you need to accept within 48 hours of issue of that. And suppose if it is paid one, in that case, you need to pay to the VTU portal within that time and accept the offer. If it is stipend or free, in that case, you have to go and you have to accept your offer. If it is not done within 48 hours, in that case, we are going to disconnect you. Okay. We will take back our offer. Now, as I told you, so what exactly you will get it under this project is you will be getting the hands-on project, mentor support, weekly evaluation, industry grade tools. We will be giving you, like, if you want to do something on the models, suppose LLMs, and also we will download and we give you the access. You start working on the models, you develop some applications on that. Now, anyway, I don't want to get into that. My technical team will talk. So these are the real-time project examples what we are planning. So probably I would stop here and I will invite my development team head. So Manjunath will take with his team from here so that he can talk to you in his technical language. Manju, are you there?
Sure, sir. Sure, sir.
Yeah.
I'll take up.
You can switch on your cameras and you can take it forward.
Hi, everyone. Good evening. So, thanks for joining for late evening. It's good you joined. So, the internship will be completely different, as sir explained now. In the recent days, uh, intelligence and intellect is everywhere. So, the only thing is, intellect is like a knife. So, you should be knowing how to use it. That's all the only thing that you have to understand about. And the projects which are listed here is very recent and which is one which is going in the market. For example, we can see about neural signal processing system. So nowadays, the systems are coming up wherein which they can integrate with a neural system of the human body. So that means the ECG is recorded, the pulse from the body is recorded, and it is being integrated with the systems in a software. So in that kind of software, in a lower base, we are trying to build up a project related to that, and this is an initial step for that one. And also the intelligent AI avatar system that which nowadays in the most of the platforms we are seeing the AI created series, web series. We are seeing AI created systems and all. So this is completely related to that, and still. Few of the AI avatars are in the platform, but the price of that particular avatar models are very much costly, and it's not completely into the market. So this is also a very hyped concept which is running in the market now. So we are also concentrating on this particular project. So AI avatar system, wherein which we will work on open source models, or also we'll develop a model which can be used to create an AI avatar. Maybe we'll be using a different cloud partners like AWS. Will be using SageMaker, or will be using Azure, or also even if needed, we'll go with GCP. Okay, so that is one of the idea I'm just giving. Like you can use AWS SageMaker and you can deploy this model and you can start training it, or else we'll try to test that particular open source model, and we'll also train that models. So that is the main intention of this particular project. And the next one is also like enterprise database rack system is also highly demand in the different B2B businesses, wherein which they have lot of content, and that content has to be reused with an user or the customers, wherein which they wanted to. Okay, just the screen went off. Can you reshare the screen? Am I audible? Hello, am I audible? Am I audible? Hello? Hello, am I audible?
Yes, Manjunath, you're audible.
Okay, just wanted to have the screen back. That's why I just was requesting that. The shared screen. Okay, anyways, I'll continue with this further. I have I have a copy of okay. I was speaking about a rack system which has a content over it. So that is also one of the major important thing which is running in the customer's platform now. So we have a different rack system wherein which multiple documents are stored in a document way, and that same documents will be used back for the user to ask questions. It will be in a chunks, and the major issue right now is to establish a connection between the chunks in the vector database is actually they are struggling. So, and this is the right time if we are able to build some system wherein which we can have a connection between the chunks in the vector database. That will be one of the good concept innovation, and also you can build some products on based on that also. So that major one. At the same time, the next product, like we are also like, okay, this one is also very much interested, like you can create a local intelligence server, so with the help of Raspberry Pi, and it's a very a limited kind of idea, like wherein which we can build this complete local server with a Raspberry Pi 5, which has GPU capabilities, and this can be used in a higher level also, wherein which the people can maintain their local server and they can have the complete different dashboard to maintain their local system and also use AI in their local system. So that is why that is the idea of having this Raspberry Pi 5 private intelligence server. So that is why this project is there. And then AI powered network security system. So nowadays, this network security system from long time it is there, and even then the human intervention is there wherever it is needed. When some external interface has happened on the particular network, we usually have some kind of an automation that detects the malware attack or phishing attack, whatever it is. But if we are using AI to like to check this kind of activities, the common vulnerability exposures, and that will be a good innovation with the existing system. So that is the major intention of having this project. And we are also working on most of the projects, and we have some of the products on based on these things also. And then finally, serverless AI pipeline with AWS Lambda and Bedrock. It is also very much important because these services are very much recently established in this year, like AWS Bedrock services and all. It has been recently in this year, actually, it is established for an AI programs in AWS, and that is more competitive. And also the GPUs which are running in the AWS Bedrock are very much important. So we'll also learn about this AWS Lambda services with the Bedrock, and also we'll be deploying some of the models inside this, and we'll be connecting to the different front-end and back-end projects. So we are thinking about some kind of microservices deployment in this AWS Bedrock and using them in a different platform. That is a major idea of this particular serverless AI pipeline with AWS Lambda and Bedrock. So this is the overall thing. And at the same time, all these projects are being done in a different way, in a different verticals that already previously explained. So in a way, I can say you'll be having the product team. That product team will also support you while you're developing any of the product here. And there will be a proper structure. So you can use any kind of tools that you are wishing, but there will be a proper structure. That means you develop each and every feature, you raise a PR with a proper documentation and writing what the feature you have developed, take a screenshot, take a recording of that, and you raise a PR, and one of them will merge it to the proper code version control system, and that will be documented properly, and that can be used for your presentation. At the same time, you can document it, and also you can present it in your college and in your further career journey. So that is, and this overall environment, building the environment at the same time, properly arranged structure is very much important in any kind of development. So that will be that is a major thing that you'll be learning here. At the same time, you have a free open space wherein which you can share your ideas. At the same time, you can start learning with other people who are in our development team, like we have most of the team from like IIT, NITs, and more the good knowledgeable peoples we have, and you can interact with them, you can learn from them, and also at the same time you can start developing. So that is the major uh, prospects you can expect here. So, and also you'll be having, I think, different exposures. Like, and you can connect with the online mentors also, and they will talk with you. Like, in, for example, if you are stuck in any kind of feature development and you are struggling to identify where you can, how you can solve it, you can just connect with one of our mentors in online, and you can discuss with them, and they'll help you to resolve that issue also. So, this is what the overall, as I said, the proper structure will be done. Even for there is a good scope for DevOps and deployment also. We have a good team of DevOps cloud. The people who are willing to learn about DevOps deployment and SRE, that is very much interesting. And even the cloud architecture also, that's very much important nowadays, because whatever the AI structure you have, like whatever the code you have, the proper AI proper cloud structure is very much important. So that is also having a good scope in the recent years. So concentrate on that also at the same time. Any questions?
All right. So thanks, Manjunath. I'm audible. That my mic is on. There's something. It's okay. All right. Thanks, Manjunath. So now, as we have seen that kind of project, so this is just the template we are showing, and as I told you, like, we are open to work on further going ahead and creating more project with you. So probably Manjunath, if you could have given the example of what we are doing on our LMS, like what are the voice agent and content agent and all that, how we are creating. So probably in 2 minutes, if you can tell that what product we are working on, and on that, how this person, whoever is coming under stipend, they would be joining. So that would be great.
Sure. So we have a learning management system. Like, it is a completely autonomous and personalized, wherein which we have a different microservices. For example, as Sir said, we have a separate microservices for a voice agent. They have a separate microservices for a personalized agent, and then there's a separate microservices for module agent, something like that. So each one of these microservices do different kind of task, and when it is in a production, so each services can be scaled up whenever the users are in more demand. So at the same time, all these services are connected to a single backend and front end, and there is a complex structure that has been built in the cloud to use this complete microservices with front end and backend. And we have a different team working on front end and backend and these microservices separately, and that will be deployed in a different AWS services like AWS Bedrock, and few of the services are deployed in AWS Lambda. So this is how the complete structure looks like, and these microservices supports the running of front and back end seamlessly, and there will be no issues. For example, these services can be separately scaled up, and there will be not an issue with the front end and back end. If there is any kind of front end and back end issue in previous cases, in previous platforms and all, they used to have an issue with these kind of microservices also, because these kind of microservices was there in a back end itself. Nowadays, it is not like that. It is completely separate. That means they can run separately and they can be scaled separately, and that is what the major thing which we are doing now.
All right, thank you. So apart from maybe if you are the part of the stipend team, in that case you will be working with Manju's team, where we have almost some 40-50 people. And apart from that, you will also have the kind of, these are the mentors from the industry, so who all are working for the reputed companies and all, who can further guide you with their experience. So Now, we have completed the presentation. So as there are three types of mentorship, and you can opt for any of that. In the next screen, I'm going to give you the QR code, which you can, just scan and you can fill the form. But before that, I would like to answer any of your questions. So, what mode you would like? I think it's better that you raise your hand and I will start giving you the access to the mic. So, okay, mute participant. Can you give the access to the people who has raised the hand? Give the access to the mic. You can unmute and you can talk. Yeah. Any doubts you can ask me now? I don't think so. They are able to unmute. Okay, by the time, let me do the troubleshooting. So you can take a snap of this code and maybe afterwards you can start filling it. But in the meanwhile, let me check if I can open up the chat. I feel I'm not sure if you're able to access.
Hello, sir. Good evening.
Good evening. Tell me.
This is Vaidya, sir, speaking.
Yes.
Thank you for the
Go ahead.
insights about the internship, sir. It was very interesting session and it was interacting too.
Please
Sir,
go
may
ahead.
I know the timeline of this internship? As you have mentioned, it is 3 months. When will it
Yeah.
start and what is the end date of the internship?
So as per your college guidelines, so as I understand that it will be January first week, it will be starting. So Jan, Feb, March, probably these are the 3 months which would be intensive we will be doing. And suppose if you want, in that case, it can extend to another 1 month. That is maximum till April it will go. So it is as per your college, as per your university's guidelines.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Sir, as you have mentioned, this paid and stipend internships and free internships. After attending the test, if we doesn't get selected in the free or stipend internship and still willing to continue with the Roman technologies, can we opt the paid internships?
Exactly. So what you can do is what I will do is I will just run you through the form what you have got so that I can tell you what are the features in that. Where is that form? 1 minute. So yeah, probably what you have to do. Let me share the screen. Yes. So now when you start filling the form, you may get this form. So you have to give your first name, last name, mobile, email, city, wherever you are. And you have to give your 10th marks detail like 10th board, maybe CBSE, ICSE, IGCSE, whatever state board. 10th school name, 10th percentage, right? Then 12th PUC board, either whichever the board you have. Then college name or school name, whatever, and the PUC percentage. Then highest qualification you can select. So one is for the circuit branch, one is so we have made it other different parts. So you can select your BE Tech in electronics or BE Tech in mechanical, whatever. Then mention the course stream. So suppose course stream in the sense like now in IT also you are having cyber security or BTech in data science or something like that. So that you can mention it over here. Mention the college name, university name. Anyhow, most of you are from VTU, so you can mention the same. Current CGPA, whatever is as of now, whatever is your CGPA or the percentage, you can mention. That is about academic. Now coming back, what exactly you have to do? Prefer domain for internship. So which domain you want to do your internship in, that you can highlight it over here. And here it is a multiple option. So uh, you select, if suppose if you are very much determinant that yeah, I want to go ahead with online only, select only online. But suppose if you say okay fine, might be I can go for offline as well as online, in that case you can select like this. So multiple options are there. And then what mode of internship? I want to work on a real time project in the office, I want to attend the training first. Any option is fine with me. So one is that we are telling you that you have to will be doing the real time project. The second thing, in the paid one, what I have mentioned, that you have to you attend the training if you are not sure about it. Where is the paid and this thing here? I told Jayashree to check. So here we will be having the category where you are internship category which you are applying for. So here you are having stipend, so which we have mentioned as you will be paid. So suppose if you say that okay fine, might be I understand that this is the priority, that first one you would like to go for a stipend, then free, then paid. So what you can do is, suppose you say okay fine, I want to go for a stipend. If not, if I'm not selected, I am also willing for paid. So when you are selecting multiple option, we understand that okay fine. So what will happen? So suppose if we are conducting, because we don't have so much of time also, so you can give that option. So we know that okay, might be if you don't get stipend, you are willing to go for paid. But suppose if this is the option stipend, that means I know that okay fine, if I you get me stipend, it is fine. Otherwise I will look for someone else, I will look for some other company, I'm not interested in your company. So that way it is, we have defined the form for you. So see to go through that. And probably now what we will do is, what WhatsApp community what we have created, now we will open up that so that you can also communicate with us. So if there is any doubt and all, in that case you can just drop the message, or if you have not joined the community, in that case you just join the WhatsApp group, so that we will be available to you anytime you want to reach us. Hope this will this clarify your concerns.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Anyone else?
Yeah, hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, Muhammad Mubashir is here.
Yeah, tell me more.
Yeah, sir, I have one. Thank you for this opportunity. I just wanted to know, sir, when will be the offer letter has been going to release, sir?
See, we have already released for few. So that's the thing what I told, that like, now you will fill the form. So for
No, I
whomever
have
we
got
have
an offer released from company.
yeah. Uh-huh.
Yeah, sir. Then I have accept and paid the amount.
Okay.
Yeah. So when will be the offer letter going to release, sir?
Yeah, so that we will be immediately, we will be sending the letter, so that we will have an automated process. So we wanted a confirmation from the VTU. So once if you are, if suppose if you are going for the paid program, and if you go and register yourself by making the payment, we will be releasing it within 24 hours. So from tomorrow we will be working on that.
Yeah, sir. Because one friend of mine, there is no free internship and stipend internship for cybersecurity domain. So I wanted to work in your I wanted to learn in your company. So I have joined a paid internship.
That's good. No, that's what I told. See, there is nothing like, it is ultimately we need to work and we need to learn. So when you talk about future skills, in that case, obviously we are number one in India right now. So we offer Like, we train 45, 50,000 students every year. So that way there is no harm. So better you learn, rather than, see, we can go and we can, fool others. We should not, if make ourselves convince unnecessarily. So suppose if you feel that, yeah, this is the time I need to learn some skills, better go ahead with the paid, learn it, because this will be very much useful. Otherwise, what happens now, you say, okay, fine, I want job, or I want internship, I want paid internship, anything, I want stipend internship. So you go somewhere, it is not relevant, then unnecessarily you're wasting your precious time. So time is the money, right? Time is important. So you see to that. If you feel that, yeah, so I'm saying that you don't change your track. If you want AIML,
Yes.
it should be AIML. You want cybersecurity, it should be cybersecurity. So
Yeah.
no need of changing your track. So make sure that, so that is very much critical for you. So
Yes, sir.
for
I have
you, we
already
will be
done that.
releasing the offer later. Thank you.
Yes, sir. I have already done that, and I have paid
Nice.
for
Very
in the
nice.
portal also.
We will be tomorrow itself. We will be releasing that. We will be sending you.
Okay, okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Sir, how to selection fee, sir?
Okay, so now this QR code also I wanted to display so that you people can fill the form. So I will keep
Sir, can
that
I
displayed and I will be explaining to you.
hello,
And
sir. Good evening.
good evening. Tell me.
Sir, I have a question. According to the VTU rules, it's a 15-week internship or a 4-month internship.
Correct.
So it can be extendable. In the portal, you mentioned
That's what
3
I
months.
am saying. 15 weeks when you say
Scan
that is
ಮಾಡ್ಕೊ ಬಾ ಇಲ್ಲೇ.
3 months we will be doing 3 months, and after that you will be working on your project. So 3 months is is our thing, and after that 3 weeks you will be, that is 12 to 13 weeks would be your 3 months. After that you can do the project
10th board ಯಾವ್ದು?
creation and all submission, all that can be done final one. So it is as
Yes,
per your
then now we
VTU
have to
itself.
get the 4-month certificate, no? 10th
Yes,
board.
we will. So it is 3 to 4 months you take it. Yeah.
Hello, sir. Good evening, sir.
And I applied for the Stephen internship. And
Yeah.
when I get
Unmute
the
one by one.
assessment and the interview.
We are starting from tomorrow. So if you have already got approval, in that case, better you accept it or reject it. If you have not,
So
in
it's
that case,
showing
from
just applied. They not showing any shortlisted and approved.
so we will do that. We will do that. So now from tomorrow we will start doing that. So we have released the offer letter to many of that. So if they have not accepted, but we will wait till tomorrow. From day after tomorrow, you will be finding that we will start doing. And in the meanwhile, now if you have applied, in that case, we will be sending. So now first thing is you fill this form. Once you fill the form, we will see what interest you have shown. Based on that, there would be a test. So as I told you, there would be an online test. Then there will be an interview. So your test will be starting from day after tomorrow. So today you fill it. Day after tomorrow would be the test, and after that we will be starting with the interview and conclude it.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so
Test
much.
will be for only stipend or paid internship also, sir?
For stipend and free, it is mandatory. As well as paid, we will be doing some basic tests. So questions will vary. So we want to have the test for everyone, so that we take the good candidate and we should give you a good output.
Sir, good evening, sir.
Good evening.
So where is company located
Sir,
in Bangalore?
my account.
Okay, we are at Rajaji Nagar and Electronic City.
But my academic percentage is low,
Okay.
lesser than 85%. My CGPA is around 8. But I have already done a real capstone project on with Samsung. Am I eligible for a free internship? And am I eligible to write a exam for free internship program?
You have 85%?
No, I don't have 85%, sir, but I have a real-time project experience. I have Around
You
1600 members were there in our college, and 1200
Mhm.
members were written an exam for Samsung AML course, and 40,
Mhm.
only 40 were selected, and I was the one among them.
Fine. So if there is something exceptional, in that case, in the form you make it as a remark field. Tell it to her, so that in that you remark field you mention, so that we will see to that if there is something exceptional what you want to announce. So in the form, the last one column we are putting as remarks, so in that you say that whatever you have mentioned now. So suppose if our team feels that, yeah, this is what you're claiming is uh, required to be discussed, in that case we will conduct an interview, and they may select you.
Yes, sir. But I did not
So
see
what
any
will be the hiring
outside
strategy
that the
for
last.
stipend done?
Sorry.
Sir, I didn't see any remark column, remark.
Yeah, it will be
Column
done
in
in 2 minutes. We are just, it's done.
okay, okay,
Ask
okay.
her to
Thank
do.
you, sir.
It is getting
Sir,
done.
for the free internship,
Okay, thank you, sir.
sir, from your side,
Hi, sir. When is the last date,
Very,
sir?
how
Go
many
ahead, go
free
ahead.
seats are available
Hello?
for free internship,
Wait,
sir?
what I will do is I will ask I will tell the name, and based on that you ask the question. Otherwise, what is happening is many of you are talking and we are missing it. Uh, can I see the hand raise and all? Where it is? And can you put this code on the chat itself, so that they can copy if it is required. All right. So yeah,
So is this program
Soumya,
is only internship
Soumya,
or
you have
people offer
raised your
also?
hand. Soumya, if you are there, you can ask the question. So let me then. Soumya, Hardik Gowda, not there. Okay, next. Who is there? We will go for
Hello, sir.
another. Yes, go ahead.
Thanks for the opportunity. Like I have one basic question.
Hmm. Tell me. Tell me what is the question.
Like as you mentioned,
Hmm.
as you mentioned that there will be a qualifying test for the internship.
Hmm.
So on what basis are you making it like it aptitude or technical test? So I want to answer
It,
that.
will be there. Like, we are not asking you to do the coding, but at the same time, it would be like, we will be giving you some script program and all, and what is the output. So this kind of questions would be there.
Okay, sir. Like the
Sir,
test
will
will be
there
same
be
for the
a screening
all
pattern?
the so it will be different.
Sorry.
Sorry, the test will be same for the all domains, so it will be different for different
No, no,
people.
no. It will be different. It will be different.
Okay, sir, got it.
Yeah.
How many
Next, you
free
tell
seats
your
are
name
available,
and
sir?
you give the ask the question so that I can announce it.
Hi, sir. This is Vinay.
Yeah, Vinay, go ahead.
Yes, sir. As you said, there is a free seats are available. How many seats are limited, sir, for a free internship?
Free, it's 300.
Okay.
So 100 is
What
stipend,
about
free is
stipend, sir?
300. Sorry,
What about stipend, sir?
100. 100 seats for stipend, 300 for the.
What will be the hiring criteria? Will be there any screening or for all the people who fill the form will get the access link for test?
We will be sending you the because first of all we need to check your percentage and all. And suppose if by
Yes,
chance, as one of
that's
the
what.
person was
Who will be
saying, like
filling the form? Everybody will be getting the access.
yes. So once you fill the form, we will verify what is your percentage and all, and based on that, we will send you the link for the test, and also like which domain you want to do the project. So that is another important point. So don't try to select everything. Be very precise, at least in that what which domain you want. So either you want to do it in AI/ML, you want to do in. So probably I will take 2 minutes and I will tell you if you are very good in your programming and all that, then you go ahead with logical reasoning and all. In that case, you go ahead with AI/ML. If you feel that no, I'm good into the system administration, I don't want to do much of coding and all. In that case, you can look into that cloud and DevOps. If you want to get into the networking and cybersecurity, select networking and cybersecurity. You are not very good in the programming and all that. In that case, you can go, and still you want something related to the AI and all. In that case, AI data analytics you can go. So that is little lighter. There is not much
So
of
sorry for the interrupt.
yeah. So
Sir,
1 minute, let me
in
complete.
VTU
Let me
portal,
complete.
we
So
applied for the product management, but in the form we can add another domain.
sorry.
In the VTU portal, we applied for the AI product management product
Okay.
development course,
Yes.
but
Yes.
in the form it's there AI/ML and product development. So we can apply for AI/ML, or we have to apply what we applied in the VTU.
AI/ML you can do. AI/ML you can. So
Sir,
that is a
thank you.
domain part we have mentioned. We are not talking about the project here. So that's what I was explaining you, that
Yes.
you select the domain. So that you don't say that anything I will get, I am fine. So you see to that there you should be very precise that yes, my interest is in AI/ML or my, and it's not because your friend is selecting that AI/ML or AI/ML is something big. It is you should be in a position to do that. So as I, that's the reason I mentioned you. If you are very good in programming, you do maths and statistics and all, then you go for AI/ML. If you are not good with that, in that case, go ahead with data analytics. If you want to get into the system side, don't want to get into the programming and all, cloud is doing good. So you can go for cloud and DevOps. DevOps itself, like, developer plus operations, right? And suppose you say that, no, I don't want to get into the development side at all. In that case, cybersecurity, networking. Okay. Yeah.
So we are facing a problem in submission of form, sir.
What is the problem? Yeah. Tell me next. Am I audible?
Yes, sir, it's audible.
Okay. So any other question? Or else anyhow, we are available on the WhatsApp. We are opening up WhatsApp. So probably you can send the messages and you can access anytime us. Okay. And also we have put the details about the internship and all on our portal, on our website also, Rooman.com. So you can go to Rooman.com and click on internship, and you
Sorry for the
can
inconvenience, sir.
check the details over there as well.
Sorry for the inconvenience. So it's
Tell me,
showing,
sir.
please contact your form administrator for the further assistance.
Error application.
See what exactly they are doing. Yeah.
Excuse me, sir.
So we are facing the error while we are submitting the form, sir.
Yeah,
1 minute.
Hello? Hello?
Yes.
Hello, sir. Sir, like if we opt for training internship, will we get both training and internship certificate, or else will be only provided with internship certificate?
Both training and internship.
Okay, like one more question, sir. If the company is facing some organizational problems, like can we get involved in that for gaining some experience to solve the real-time problems?
Yeah, that's what I told you, that we don't want to give you only the training. So this time, see, let me make it very clear. In fact, not only for this, we are going to change our training ecosystem itself. So
ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಏನು ಏನಂತ ಸರಿ ಏನಂತ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ ಏನು ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ 47 ಬಂದಿದೆ 47 ಮ್ಯಾಂಡೇಟ್ ಇರೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಫಿಲ್ ವಾಟ್ 183 186 187 187 ಚಾಟ್ ಎನೇಬಲ್ ಚಾಟ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಚಾಟ್ ಎನೇಬಲ್ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಷ್ಟೇ. ಎಸ್ 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 ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಏನ್ ಚಾಟ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತ? ಲಿಂಕ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಚಾಟಲ್ Q&A ಚಾಟಲ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ, Q&A ಕಾನ್ವರ್ಸೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಅದನ್ನ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ.
ಚಾಟಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬಿಡಿದ್ವಿ?
ಈ ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಹಾಕೋಣ ಇಲ್ಲ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಫೇರ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದೇ ಆರ್. ಅಯ್ಯೇ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು, ಓನ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಅಟೆಂಡೀಸ್.
ಅವ್ರು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾನೆ.
ಇವ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ ಬ್ರೋ, ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಡಿಸೇಬಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ದಟ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಟಾಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಮೋರ್, ಸೊ ಐ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್.
VTUದು ಫಸ್ಟು ವೆಬಿನಾರು ಈ ಥರ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಜೊತೆ VT ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಶಿಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ನೆನಪಿದೆ? VTU ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವೆಬಿನಾರು
ಅದು ಹಂಗೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಫ್ಲಾಪ್ ಆಗಿದೆ
ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ಹಂಗೆ. ಲೈವ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಮ್ ಆಫ್
ಲೈವ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಮ್ ಆಫ್